John Malotien. I'm from the youth of Nyalwanda Focus Group. Training of today has really helped me as a youth, just because back there I never valued agricultural as the best and alternative for the youth. But for the training of today, for the planting and the rearing of chickens, have really boosted my knowledge and increased my potential and changed my attitude towards agriculture. Therefore, uh, be, therefore, according to the training of today, I will say that agriculture is the best, and I can give example of laying chickens and planting pawpaw, just by I've been told and I've been given the benefits of doing this agricultural. One of them, it's beneficial. It can give someone to get employed, self-employment. That is one of the best alternative that I can achieve in our Kenyan today, since getting job is difficult out there. Therefore, I would like to say thank you for the training of today, and I've really get to learn a lot about agriculture. As therefore, I can say thank you for the group, and may you continue again to improve us and improve our abilities and knowledge in other subjects. This can really benefit from the youth and other people who are valuing agricultural as bad option. Then they can again change their attitude to take it as the goodest option they have ever chosen in their life. Thank you for the group.